Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Optimizer. I am Rajat and today we are going to discuss about a state pattern. So again it is a behavior design pattern. So before jumping into it, I'm thinking if all of you might have used a vending machine. So you know in the vending machine, like whenever without inserting any money, if you just try to get any product, okay. So it will just trigger a warning, please insert a coin, something like this, okay, insert some money or something like that. But at the same time, whenever you basically put some money, okay, put some money, then in that case, after that, when you press that get product, so basically you will get that product and also the change will be provided to you, okay. Now it will work successfully. But if you'll see, you call the same function, right? But in one condition it was behaving differently, while in the other condition it was behaving differently. Similarly, if the vending machine is not working at all, then in that case you'll just get it is malfunctioned. If you'll just click on if you're just trying to get some product. Similar is the case of so if you might have played any video games on some old machine, basically you have to insert a coin to start a game. That also works in this fashion only, basically until unless you don't insert a coin, it will show you whenever you try to start the game, please insert a coin. Once the coin is entered for a particular time, it will just move to a different state where it will allow you to basically play start the game or something, okay. Now how does this work? Basically this state transition, like the same thing is working differently in the two states. Basically this is the main idea behind this state design pattern. So if you will see the definition, basically it what it does is basically allow an object to alter its behavior when the internal state changes. Like it is was allowing vending machine to change its behavior when the internal state was changed for it. So to see the structure, if you'll see the structure, there is an state interface we have created. Now there is this vending and the functionality of the vending machine are mentioned here. So consider it to do this or do that. These are the functionality of any object. Consider this. Now there would be states. There would be different states we would be creating. Those also perform the same. Basically, will implement this interface only. Those also perform the same functionality. Just the on the basis of state it is in, it will do the different thing. Or when user try to do any functionality, basically try to access something or something like that, on the basis of state that would be decided. Basically at the runtime we decided what we want to perform when user click on that. So to explain the same through an example, so let's see, like we have a vending machine, okay. Before that, let's suppose we have three states, okay. We have a three states of vending machine. So one is in so these are the three functionality, okay, for those particular states. Now what we are doing here is basically we are creating has money state. So first of all, there is no money. Initial state would be no money state. So whenever he'll try to basically select the product, he'll get this output. You need to insert the money first. You need to insert the money first if you try to dispense the product. Once he'll basically call this insert money function, or I'll say when he insert this some money, then the state is changed. State is changed to hedge money state now. Now in the hedge money state, what we are doing, basically we can select the product, dispense the product, and also money is already inserted. If user try to basically insert more money, first of all you have to make a purchase then. If it is like machine is malfunction, it is not working at all, then in that case what we are doing, it is sold out, basically, sorry, all the products are sold out or machine is not working. So we'll get this output. So what we are doing in the vending machine, we are just creating three states. We are just putting them in the constructor and provide initially what is the current state we are setting. No money state is the current state, okay. Now okay, to basically hmm. So what we have done, we have created a vending machine, okay, here. Now we have called the insert function, okay. Yeah, by the way, if you'll open this insert, not insert, insert money function, what it is doing, It is calling the insert money of current state. Whatever the current state has been set to the vending machine, it is doing that. Now suppose the user came and now click on the vending machine. It just without providing any without adding any money, it just do that select product. Now what will happen, since it is in no state, no money state, so it will print this. Okay, until unless user doesn't call this insert money, basically put some money. Okay, so if you'll do here, so we have just created the sorry, just initiated this vending machine object. Now without, if I just do this, okay, if I just print this before, first of all let's yeah, if I just print this, okay, so it will now give me, first of all you need to insert the money first. Okay, now what we are doing is, in this example, if you'll see what we are doing, I'm just inserting the money, selecting the product. Now again inserting the money. So again inserting the money, it will fail now since money is already inserted in this state. Now selecting the product. Similarly, now we are sending the setting, updating the state. Now if I do anything, I'll just get this message. Okay, so I'll just run it. Please money inserted. You can now, you can money already inserted. Okay, for these two statements when I try to insert money again and again. So I think yeah, that's all from this video. Let me know if you still have any doubt on this structure. And it is being used like at many places. One is this example. There would be many other example, like in coffee machine or in anywhere. Like there is a different functionality we perform on the basis of state. So yeah, that's all from this video. Let me know if you have any queries in the comment section. Till now, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you all.